Hi there, Jonathan with Amy Hardware. My last video was about prepping your deck for new stain for the coming summer season. And so today I thought I would talk about one of our excellent stain products, which would be the next step. Today I want to talk about our line of Armstrong-Clark exterior stains. One of the most appealing aspects of the Armstrong-Clark stains are that they can be applied in full sunlight during the absolute heat of day. Armstrong-Clark stains have drying and non-drying oils. The non-drying oils penetrate deep into the wood surface to condition and protect, while the drying oil cures on the surface to give absolute protection from all the sun and the elements. As I mentioned, this is a 100% oil-based product and it can be applied via brush, sprayer, or roller. Armstrong-Clark comes in a multitude of colors, including transparent, semi-transparent, and semi-solid stains. In fact, Armstrong-Clark stains come in so many colors. If you'll bear with me, I want to make sure I don't miss one, so I'm just going to read it off the brochure. In the semi-transparent stains, we have natural, cedar, and redwood. In the semi-transparent stains, we have cedar, natural oak, rustic brown, chestnut, Sierra redwood, and driftwood. And in the semi-solid stains, we have espresso, Oxford brown, sequoia, woodland brown, and mountain cedar. Yes, that's a lot of colors to choose from, but fortunately Armstrong-Clark does have complimentary samples in every color. So if there's something that you think you might want to try, come into the store, we can talk about the product in more depth and send you home with some samples.